Today I will start with last year's revision. Okay, see here students. A for apple. Mahi, repeat after me. A for apple. Yes. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. Can you hear me nicely? Okay. G for goat. G for goat. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. J for jeep. J for jeep. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for ox. O for ox. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for ship. S for ship. T for train. T for train. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Do you eat vegetables? Yes. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. This was your last year's little revision. Did you like? Now I may take little math activity also, just to remind you everything. Okay. So what is this? Do you remember what is this? This is 1. This is 1. What comes after 1? 2 comes after 1. 2 comes after 1. Okay, what comes after 2? 3 comes after 2. 3 comes after 2. This is 3. This is 3. Now, this is 4. This is 5. I may take nice activity in coming videos. And parents, today's homework is just give them slate and let them scribble like this, anything. This will be the homework. Let them scribble on a slate. If you have a slate, it's okay. Or otherwise, whatever available, white board, green board. Otherwise, you can give a small notebook like them to use. Like this, let them scribble today. This will be today's homework. So, bye bacha, bye pillows. See you tomorrow.